possibly the best feeling in the entire world right here. Okay, I think we're ready. I'm on FaceTime with Mom at work because she wants to be able to experience the unboxing. It didn't even say it was delivered. I looked out the window and it was there, and I'm like, are you kidding me? How do you open? I should have looked up a tutorial for this first. Looking good. Look, there's our holster. This is our seat holster. I didn't know they were gonna send it in the Rally Armor one. What's this? Oh, it's from Rally Armor. What? A portable charger, a Rally Armor portable charger. That's so cool. What? I'm so confused. Must be for our, aha. These are for our headlights. Our headlight tint. Yes! Look at that. It looks more red on camera, but that is so cool. It is now time for what we all came here for. It's time for what we all came here for from Remark. Ow! Ow, my foot! Oh my god, how many of these? Ow! Here's the first piece. Because I don't think I am, because they don't want to come out. Come on, what? The whole box came apart. Are you ready? Look at those. Here it is, everyone. That was nerve-wracking. I can't believe I did that backwards by myself. Let's go touch it. It's actually not too warm. It's not warm at all, so we're actually gonna go ahead and start getting the exhaust on. Let's pray that I can get this off on my own. From my research that I've done, I've heard all you need is 214 mil like ratchets. So one has to be extended. So we're gonna try to pop these off right now. I don't know if I just got that on video, but hey, look at that. These little muscles can do something, huh? I can't believe I just did it again. Heck yeah. So within about less than 5 minutes, I got both sets of nuts and bolts off. And now this muffler is just hanging by the two hangers. I heard it's smart to put some WD-40 in there, but I'm just trying this one right here, and I could literally just push it out with my hand. You can't really see what I'm doing right here, but I'm just like using this like pushing motion to get the hanger off. I was trying to be all independent and not have to use WD-40, but it looks like I'm gonna have to for the top hanger. Lower hanger right here first, because it gave me a little bit more room to get up there. I couldn't get the WD-40 in without doing this, so now we're just gonna, oh my gosh, did this just run out? Okay, that almost came out too easily. After I got the WD-40 on, I kind of just pushed this whole thing back and it fell off. Oh my god, this thing is humongous. That was way too easy, and I was stressing out about this for way too long. I can't accurately explain to you guys how easy this is. And done. An old man just drove by. He backed up and he goes, "Young lady, I just gotta tell you that's very impressive." That just made my whole life. Now I'm gonna show you how easy it is to get this last one off. So all I gotta do is get the lower hanger off.
Point from my standpoint.
Thank you. And here's the monster. I'm gonna go wash up so that I don't mess up the other beautiful exhaust tips, and then we'll get right back. Brand new hardware and a brand new gasket in place, and all we're gonna do now is line up the hangers, get them hanging by the hangers, and just pretty much do the whole thing in reverse. We're just gonna sandwiched in there. So this is pretty much hand tight for now. I'm actually so tired. I can't wait to hear this so I can go take a nap. Anyways, I'm gonna tighten this down until I pretty much can't tighten anymore because we don't want exhaust leaks. And then we just have one more side to do. This is so easy. Like, I could get this done in probably 30 minutes if I wasn't filming or taking my time or anything like that. The sense of accomplishment right now is real. Wow, that was amazing. Are you ready?
I'm ready.
Are you sure?
I'm sure.
Amazing sense of accomplishment I think I've ever felt. I didn't run into one problem in that whole entire installation. So now we're gonna do these beautiful mud flaps. So this is what it looks like. It's looking really good. And now I'm just gonna put on this side marker tint overlay. This will cover the chrome and amber right here so that everything kind of looks a little bit more uniform in the front. So I just finished putting the tint overlay on it, and I gotta say, I have a lot of respect for people who tint windows now, because tint is the most annoying thing to ever work with, and as long as you don't get up too close, you're fine. You don't have to look at it.
Here we go, my first ride in my new exhaust.
Are you ready, Mom?
Yeah, here we go. Oh my God! Bye!
Thanks for watching, guys. This is gonna be the fine. You just do the outro for me. That's gonna be the video for today. If you enjoy, make sure to like and subscribe. I don't know what hand signal to do for subscribe. Like and subscribe to the video, to my channel. If you like the video and my content, there's more to come. Bye.